Okay, let's go to URL Builder. URL
Mhm.
Builder, this is one of my favorite tool. I use very frequently for
Mhm.
different canonical URL. You can put different keywords and you can put the ASIN, so it's gonna create a canonical URL. Let's create, maybe search another what the baby, another, I want to check another product. Baby Gates. Yeah, this is my uh, favorite product, but we never could launch this product. Still my favorite product.
Mhm.
Okay, we want to create a canonical URL for this product. I just open. Okay, and the firstly we grab its ASIN. To put the seller sprites in, I'm gonna put some its keyword to create it. Copy to put the ASIN here,
Mhm.
and then we need the 5 keywords. So let's put the guys canonical URL is this part of uh, after it's after slash. This part is supposed before detail page ASIN. This is supposed the canonical URL. If
Mhm.
you it helps also rank on Google. On the
Mhm.
Google, it's gonna help you to rank on the top of the Google. So we wanna rank on the Google, and we wanna have this canonical URL like baby gate for stairs and the toddler to maybe for no need, I just like this one. These five words we want. Okay, I put the baby here,
Mhm.
this one here. I'm putting one by one, like the left
Mhm.
four, and put like this,
Mhm.
and the safety here. Okay, now it should have like this one in this part. It should be the keywords I just put.
Okay.
Now let's see. Great.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah, you see baby gate stairs toddler safety. Like if you wanna rank on the Google, this gonna we create this kind of canonical URL. Yeah, okay, you can open. And here we have like on the title, you see it's the requested keyword. We needed this keyword, then we use it. How it can help, for example, if you are running social media ads without Amazon tracking link, you can just use this link. Or if you have Google Ads, you can put this link to send the traffic to your listing. Ultimately, it's gonna help you on the Google to rank for this keyword. If someone is searching baby gates stairs or toddler gate stairs and
Mhm.
safety baby gate stairs, it's gonna rank your product first on the Google. The main reason is because we have canonical URL in our title, and we rank for those keywords on the Google. So you will be showing like hopefully here on the top or
Mhm. Mhm.
for those keywords. This is the first part of canonical URL.
Mhm.
Next is target ASIN URL. Okay, guys, why it helps? When we search on Amazon, we are gonna get the messy Amazon search result. In the top, there is like sponsor brand, sponsor advertising, and downside there is video ads, pressure monitor, baby gates. Some Amazon messed up more result, a lot of
Mhm.
different. If you want to have clean and no any sponsor ads, no sponsor product, no any, you can create a one link and
Mhm.
specifically related for those products. For example,
Mhm.
I'm gonna run the Chrome extension and select several products. I'm gonna create a link for those products. Maybe it's my competitor. Maybe they are just my own the product. I can see only those product, no any other product. For
Mm.
example, as here, what I'm doing is selecting several ASIN. I'm gonna select several ASIN. Maybe
Mm-hmm.
this one, and this one, or as many as up to 200 you can select, or you can create manually.
Mm-hmm.
Copy. We hope the copy selected. Here we have copy selected ASIN
Mm-hmm.
position. You can select it manually, but I select the automatic copy.
Yeah.
Come to SellerSprite and put those ASINs here. Okay, you see, and
Mm-hmm.
create. Here we have. Okay, then open now. You see, there is nothing else. Only the four ASINs I selected. Okay, if you wanna
Mm-hmm.
add more, you can. Okay, maybe to grab this ASIN as well. Let's put one more. Okay, now we have five. Just create and open. Now we are gonna have five these ASINs.
Mm-hmm.
So it's clean, no sponsor brand, no sponsor product, no editorial recommendation.
Mm.
This link will not lost. You can put the like star. It's gonna be on the your here title of the Chrome. You can find always this product and the send or check later. For example, okay, they are your competitor. Let's check how they are changing, how their BSR, photos, images, videos, sales are changing. Always keep under your hand very easily. Then you don't need to go to I check, okay, what happened this product? What happened this product? You don't need to find it manually. So this is target ASIN, and as it is add to cart URL. This is a little bit old. Before we were doing add to cart to rank on Google, rank on Amazon, or add to cart and then buy. It was helping to uh, rank, like kind of giveaway. How
Mm-hmm.
it works? Recently, we have not used it much, but at least you can understand. Put the ASIN here and enter quantity. For example, I want to add to cart 15 units. Create. Okay, they create it. And then now open. Okay, you see, uh, there is maximum order
Four,
quantity
yeah.
for 4 units of this product. Maybe I
Mm.
can put another product to see. Maybe they don't have, like, let's see this one. Uh, do they have or not? Come to SellerSprite, put the ASIN here and the 15 units. Create. I hope this one has. Yeah,
Yes,
this
10
one
maximum,
has.
yeah.
10 maximum. So
Mm.
basically what's doing it, add requested quantity into your bag, like add to cart. We added 10 units of this
Mm-hmm.
product cart. You can see it, or you can change it, or you can save it, etc. But this was the like 5, 6 years ago we were doing add to cart, and then it was helping rank on the Amazon. So, Vova, do you have anything add to about the Amazon URL builder?
Well, pretty clear, man. I mean, I like the middle option where we just can take the targeted ASINs products and let's say we want to see how we look against our competition, or maybe we want to see how our top competitors look and think what we can improve, or we can again use our own ASINs with others to see how we stand out. That's nice.
Yeah.
Canonical, as you mentioned, it just changes the keywords within the URL, and then we can use that URL to drive traffic to it. It will drive traffic to the listing, and perhaps through that kind of technique, it might help us also rank for those keywords on Google. Correct? So if like
Yes.
let's say we added like baby monitor, safety product, I don't know, something like this, and then we use that URL to share it with some bloggers, with some ads were running, so then it can help rank for those specific keywords in the URL. And add to cart, yeah, I don't know if these days, I mean, this is still a metric for sure. I haven't tried ranking specifically with add to carts, but yeah, in the past it was more of a thing that was being used. Even wish list additions were used, adding to wish
Yes.
list and big amounts of 2017-ish. Takes me back in time into those years. Yeah, but yeah, it's nice. It's free tool also can use that. But I think the middle one is quite nice for
Yes. Yes.
basically just like seeing what stands out. Maybe we can see some patterns. We can see also what can I say? How many units are sold, and we can just generate a page clear from other stuff like ads, etc. It's only the products without any other additions. Yeah.
Yes, yes. The advertising, Amazon messed up with many things.
Mm,
Advertising more
mm,
result from this brand, from
mm,
another brand, for plus star, Amazon recommended, etc., etc. Video ads, brand ads. So it will be
mm,
very clear, straightforward. You can find you could this product is here. It will be always here. You don't need to go to search. It's the third line and this part of the page, it will be here always. You can find it easily always.
Great. And I'll remind our listeners, viewers again, we have free trial of SellerSprite in the description. Coupon code HIVOVA, 35% off, and the playlist of other videos with Yauchen where we basically go through all the tools and we showcase how to use them.